How to download and install Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft on PC Easy Guide. Want to play Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft on a big screen with full keyboard and mouse controls instead of a tiny phone? Screen. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to download and install Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft on your PC step by step using two different methods, so you can start building your futuristic Robo world right. Now, Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft is a free Android sandbox game where you build futuristic cities, explore robotic zones, craft tools, and survive in a sci-fi block world. Since it is a mobile game, you will need either an Android emulator or the Google Play Games app to run it on Windows. Let me walk you through both methods. Method 1 is the Google Play Games app, which is the official Google method and the cleanest way to play Android games on PC in 2026. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Google Play Games for PC and download the official app from the Google website. Install it and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Once inside the Google Play Games app, use the search bar at the top and search for Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft. Find the game in the results and click Install. The game will download and install directly through the app just like it would on your phone. Step 3. Once installed, click Play, and the game will launch in its own window on your PC with full keyboard and mouse support automatically configured. You can resize the window or go full screen from the game settings. Now for Method 2 using BlueStacks, which is the most popular Android emulator and works on both Windows and Mac. Step 1. Search for BlueStacks on Google and download the latest version of BlueStacks 5 from the official BlueStacks website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen setup prompts. BlueStacks requires Windows 7 or above and updated graphics drivers. Make sure you are logged in as an administrator on your PC before installing. Step 2. Once BlueStacks is open, sign in with your Google account to activate the Google Play Store inside the emulator. Step 3. Open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks, search for Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft and click Install. The game will download and install inside the emulator just like it would on an Android device. Step 4. Once installed, click on the game icon on the BlueStacks home screen to launch it. BlueStacks automatically maps your keyboard and mouse to the game controls. You can customize your key mapping by clicking the keyboard icon on the right side panel to set up the controls exactly the way you want them. Now here is your pro tip. If you notice the game running slowly or with lag inside BlueStacks, go into BlueStacks settings, click Performance, and increase the allocated RAM to at least 4 GB and set the CPU cores to 4. Also make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers are the #1 cause of emulator performance issues. These two changes alone make a dramatic difference in how smoothly the game runs. So to recap, use the Google Play Games app for the cleanest official experience on Windows, or use BlueStacks if you are on Mac or want more customization options. Search for Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft, install it, and you are ready to start building your robotic world on the big screen. If this video helped you get the game running on your PC, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you are building first in Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft. See you in the next one.